This car is a Hyundai Starex Royal 2.5cc diesel engine. The problem with this car is that after starting the engine, the check engine light stays on, and when driving on the highway, the car has no pickup and the speed of the car decreases a lot. Now I entered the car to start the engine and check. First, I turned the car's ignition key switch to the on position. Now I started the car engine. Look. After starting the car's engine, the check engine light is on in the dashboard meter. Notice that when you press the fuel accelerator, the engine makes a kind of whistling sound. To check what problem caused the check engine light to come on, I would first check with a scan computer to see if there are any fault codes. After checking with the iScan computer, there are two fault codes here. Number 1 is P0700 Transmission Control System, ML request. Number 2 is P0087 Fuel Rail Pressure / System Pressure Too Low. The second number code is Fuel Rail Pressure Low. The reason for low fuel pressure is that the check engine light is on. The car's pickup is low when driving on the highway. Other symptoms of low diesel pressure include difficulty starting the engine, slow idle, lack of power during acceleration, poor fuel economy, knocking or pinging noises in the engine. Key causes of low diesel pressure: clogged fuel filter. A dirty fuel filter restricts fuel flow, leading to low pressure. Faulty fuel pump. Wear and tear on the high-pressure fuel pump can significantly reduce fuel pressure. Worn injectors. Clogged, worn, or improperly calibrated injectors can put extra strain on the fuel pump and cause low pressure. Malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator. A faulty regulator can't maintain proper fuel pressure, leading to low pressure issues. Contaminated fuel, water or other contaminants in the fuel can affect its flow and cause low pressure. Leaking fuel lines. Cracks or leaks in the fuel lines can introduce air into the system, causing pressure drops. Fuel return system problems. Issues with the fuel return system can prevent proper fuel circulation, leading to low pressure. First, I will remove the diesel fuel filter and change it to see if that solves the problem. Now I will open the hand pump to open the diesel fuel filter and bring it out. Remove the fuel filter from the hand pump and separate it. I took off this old fuel filter to change it. This is an old fuel filter. Now I will attach this new fuel filter to the hand pump. Now I have attached this new fuel filter to the hand pump, so I tightened it as much as possible, since it has a fuel filter O-ring. While tightening the fuel filter, be sure to take care not to damage the O-ring and to prevent diesel from leaking. Now I will install the fuel filter water in fuel indicator sensor. I will tighten this water sensor oil by hand. The installation of the new fuel filter is complete. Now I will install the hand pump inside the car. I connected the fuel hose to the hand pump and then installed the two screws for the hand pump bracket. After installing everything and completing it, now pump on the hand pump until the hand pump feels hard and the hand pump feels hard. Now stop pumping the hand pump. Now I will enter the car and clear the engine code by turning the ignition switch to the on position. Now I turned the ignition key switch to the on position. Now I will clear the engine fault code with the scan computer. Now I will click clear fault code to clear the fault code. I will click on confirm to clear the fault code. I will click read fault code to check if the fault code has been cleared. See fault code cleared. Now there is no fault code anymore. Now I will start the car engine and see if the check engine light has cleared. Now the check engine light is gone. The engine light has been reset. Inshallah, the check engine light is gone now. I'm going to check the engine compartment. There is no problem with the engine now. Now I will close the engine bonnet and test drive the car. Now I got inside the car to test drive it. Now I will test drive the car and see if the check engine light comes on or not. Is there any problem driving the car? Now there is no more problem of low power while driving the car. The car's power is fine. The engine light on the car's dashboard meter is no longer on. The car's problem has been solved. After driving the car, I will check again with the scan computer to see if there are any fault codes. Click on read fault code to see if there are any fault codes. There is no fault code. Inshallah, there is no fault code after driving the car. There is no problem of low power while driving the car. The problem has been solved. If you have any problem understanding anything after watching the video, please comment, and I would like to express my sincere greetings and congratulations to you on behalf of this channel. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the button to get new videos related to cars. Like the video.